been trying to make money with dropshipping, but you have no idea how to run ads. This video is going to change everything for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up your Facebook and Instagram ads completely from scratch, even if you've never done this before, even if you don't have a big budget, and even if you have zero experience with marketing. By the end of this video, you'll have your ad account set up, your pixel installed, and your first campaign live and ready to get sales. So make sure you stay until the end, because every step matters. Let's get into it. Before we touch anything inside Facebook, let's make sure you have everything ready. Number 1, a Facebook account. Number 2, a Shopify store or any platform with a live product. Number 3, a business page on Facebook. That's it. You don't need a big budget, you don't need a fancy camera for your ads, and you don't need any prior experience. Let's go. Alright, first thing, go to facebook.com and make sure you're logged into your personal account. Now click on the 9 little squares in the top right corner. That's the menu. And then click on Pages. Click the green button that says Create New Page. Give your page a name, use your store name, then choose a category. If you're selling products, just type shopping and retail or e-commerce website. Either one works. Add a short description about your store, then click Create Page. Now add a profile picture, use your store logo, and a cover photo. This doesn't have to be perfect right now, you just need the page to look real. Done. Your business page is live. Now let's go set up the real engine, your business manager account. Alright guys, now to warm up your Facebook page. Complete all the details, address, phone number, and set a cover image. Then publish your first post, something simple like, "Hey, first post." After that, upload a few photos or videos of your product. Once that's done, leave the page for 1 to 2 days and then follow the next step I'll show you. Now guys, we're going to launch our first campaign. This one is only to get visits to our page, not to make sales. The goal is to warm up the account. Then the next day we'll launch another campaign focused on getting sales.
In here you must put your website or your landing page or your Shopify store of your product, right? So for me, I have already a landing page. I create it with the AI. If you want, I will make another video on how you can make yours, right? So take the website link and put it in the input place.